Let me show you the exact quantity to get 10 inches cake and 12 inches cake, just like this. This cake tasted so good and everyone enjoyed it. Stick around, let me show you the exact measurement and how to go about it so it will be very fluffy. Kindly keep watching. You know, whatever you want to make with flour, the first step is to sieve it out. So you get your 1200 grams of flour and sieve. We are sieving all our dry ingredients, which will also be sieving our baking powder. These are the two dry ingredients used for this right now. Next thing is to go ahead and measure out your sugar. We'll be using 1000 grams of sugar, and then go ahead and whisk your sugar and 900 grams of butter in a bowl. Whisk until it's fluffy, just as I do right now. This is the basic part that makes your cake to be fluffy. If this is not fluffy, your cake, I promise, won't be fluffy. So you have to be patient while whisking your butter and sugar. Okay, this is the art of creaming. That is what is called in cake making. How do you know when your butter and sugar is well combined and fluffy enough? Take a spatula, scoop a lot, just as I do like this. If it falls out on its own, that means you are good to go. But if it didn't fall off, that means you need to whisk until it begins to fall off when you scoop a lot. Just as you can see right now, is very much okay. For this recipe, we'll be using 20 large eggs. So go ahead and crack your eggs, 20 pieces, and then whisk until it foams on top, just like this. Okay. At a point, I use my hand mixer for it to be easy for me. And this, you don't need to whisk for long. Once it starts foaming, we are good to go. Next thing is to combine all the wet ingredients. You introduce your egg into your butter and sugar mixture. Add your vanilla, 3 bottles of vanilla extract, and 1000 grams of milk, liquid milk, any kind of liquid milk we are using. Mix all of that together until it's well combined, just as you see me do so. If you're watching up until now, thank you for sticking around, and I do hope you found this video useful. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share, as you know I appreciate that, okay? All of the ingredients will be listed in the description box. Once all the wet ingredients are well combined, go ahead and start introducing the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients. Dry ingredients into the wet one. Do not add all up at once. I did that in 3 batches. First, you turn in a little quantity, mix it until it's well combined. Go ahead and add all of that until it is finished, just as you can see me do so. Okay, now you don't need a mixer, you just use your hand and your spatula. I use a wooden spatula, just that it may be well combined. Make it to be well combined so everything will taste the same. Okay, now to bake, we'll be using a parchment paper as the base. That is to enable our cake not to burn. So the first thing to do is to use your pen or pencil and roll it out, then cut it out, just as you see me do. Then go ahead and butter your pan and also add flour to it. That is to make your cake not to stick on any part of the pan. Okay, once that is done, go ahead and transfer your cake into your pan. Guys, it's actually easy to bake, and as a beginner baker, it's easy to watch this video and understand. I tried this and it will work so well. Definitely it will work for you. Okay, so transfer that into your pan and make sure you heat the pan to remove the excess air. If you remove the excess air, it will make your cake to rise properly. Okay, now I place this in my cupcake and then top up with some chocolate chips. Next thing is to bake at 180 degrees for 45 minutes or an hour, depending on how your oven is. And voila, this is our cupcake. I baked this one using the air fryer, and that is why it's like this. It's so fluffy and so nice. On air fryer, I baked at 180 degrees for 20 minutes, and this is it. This I did in the oven, the same 200 degrees Celsius at, say, 30 minutes, and it's ready. You can see the difference. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to comment, like, and share, and also subscribe. I will appreciate that. Okay. As a beginner baker, I tried this method and it worked for me. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in my next one. Until then, take care of yourself, eat healthy, and don't forget to eat sweet cake at times. Bye.